how to set RAM plus 2 or 8 GB on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, so you will see third option is memory, so click on memory. So after click on memory, scroll down and you will see RAM plus is here, so click on RAM plus. So if you want to set RAM plus, so make sure turn on this button. So after turn on this button, so you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see again click on settings app, device care, click on memory and click on RAM plus. So you will see RAM plus is turned on. So if you want to set 2 GB, so click on 2 GB and click on restart. So if you want to set 4 GB, so click on 4 GB and restart. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set RAM plus 2 or 8 GB on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.